guys, I'm going to go over the banded hip opener. So you'll need a medium thickness band and then a support structure or something around the house or your gym in which to loop it up around. So you want to loop it up around anywhere from about knee to mid-thigh level. And then you want to step one leg into it. And so from here, I'm going to get into a lunge position. If you need to, I like to pad up the back knee. And so from here, you let the band do the work, opening up the hips as well as the groin. Okay. For some, you may actually like it right around the knee, so it pulls in, and then pull it back. Let the band do the work, and pull it back in. Okay. As your flexibility improves, you can increase the resistance of the band by moving away from the structure, and then moving it back, and then getting a deeper stretch. I also feel it back here. So be careful getting out of it, and then you'll repeat on the other side, and that right there is the banded hip opener.